Very good morning to all. I hope you have watched the introductory video related with the data frame. It is the second consecutive video of our data frame, and in this video we will discuss about how to create the data frame by using list and how to create data frame by using dictionary. Right? As you know, data frame is a two-dimensional structure. We can say it is just like a table only. Right? Now, in this table, either we can include single column or we can include multiple column. It is on us only. Size of the data frame is mutable. Mutable means you can insert n number of column at different stages with your data frame. The data inside the data frame, it is also mutable, means at any further stage you can change the data of your data frame. Right? So here we are going to start that how we can create data frame by using list. Right? Just see, the first program is there. Here the magic is, in this data frame maximum program contain 10 lines only. So here just see the coding step by step, right? Do not in hurry. Just see, import pandas as PD. It is the compulsory line. You have to add this line in each and every program of Python Panda. The second line, here one list is created, list with 3 different elements. Right? Just see the list, 100, 200, 300. These are the 3 different elements inside the list. Now just see the third command, df. It is the name of your data frame. You can set the name as your style, as your wish. Right? So here, df equal to pd dot data frame. It is the compulsory command if you want to create the data frame. In the previous video, we discussed already about this command, about the part of this command here. With this command, you can use data, index, column and d type. Clear? So here list is there, pd dot data frame. Here inside the bracket I just use one parameter only. The parameter is list. Right? It is the data part of your data frame. So what will be the output now? If you want to print this data frame, just see the output. 100, 200, 300. These are the data items. Now here we did not supply the index, so computer put the row index by default 0, 1, 2. These are the default indexes. Here in this data frame, we did not supply name of the column also, so computer put 0 over here. 0 is the name of the column. It is known as 0th column, 0th row, first row, second row. Right? This is the data frame creation. Now, if I use this one, list, और यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया? Now here just say list, columns. Columns में मैंने डाला equal to value. Right? I extended the command list with column. Now computer put this column name at the position over here. Now here you can see value is there. So this is the name of the column. Right? Now if you want to generate the index name over here, तो आपको क्या करना है? इस कमांड को वापस एक्सटेंड करो. Just put comma and here just use index equal to. Now my index are R1, R2 and R3. These 3 indexes are there. Now just see what will be the output of this data frame if you execute the data frame. So instead of 0, 1 and 2, computer will put R1 over here, R2 at here, R3 at here. Now this data frame is converted. Column name is there with the data frame, and then the row names are also there with the data frame. And if you remove these two from the particular command, from the particular function, and use just data part only, then just see the output of this one, it is this 0, 1, 2, 0. Now sir, just see, in this data frame, one column is there only. Why it is one column? Because we supply single list only. Right? Here, if you want to add multiple columns in your data frame, you just use list inside the list. Clear? List inside the list. I am having another example related with this concept. List inside the list, and then the internal list contain the values. These are the columns of the data frame. Right? I hope this particular function you understand the particular function. Now we will move towards the second function. Both the program are related with data frame creation by list only. Right? So just come here, import pandas as getting the compulsory line. Now just see the list variable. This is the list variable of this program. Just see. List inside the list. It is known as nested list. What is nested list? Just see, square bracket means it is a list formation. Again, at the very first position of the list, one more square bracket is there. Just see this one. Right? Then comma, here inside this internal bracket I use RAM and then 85.2. One digit is there. Clear? Now again, after comma, the second list element is there in this particular list. Suresh 68.9. Then it is the third list element. So here it is the example of nested list. Now, how computer generate the data frame based on this list item, ये समझना है अपने को. Right? So here, just see the inside bracket of the list. This one, this one, this one. Here, the first value of each and every internal list should be there in a column. When you see the output of the data frame, Ram, Suresh, Rohit, these three names are there in a single column. Right? Then the second value, 85.2, 68.9, 92.7, it is there in the second column of the data frame. अगर मैं यहाँ पे एक और वैल्यू को ऐड कर लेता हूँ, सपोज यहाँ पे मैं सिटी का नाम ऐड कर देता हूँ, देखो जयपुर, जयपुर, जयपुर. So the city, it is the third column of the data frame. Clear? So this is the example of nested list. By using this nested list, how you can create the data frame? The command is same. df equal to pd.dataframe here. List. This means this variable. The name of this variable is this. I use this list variable over here with index. Now just see indexes R1, R2, R3. Index means what? This one. Position, or we can say name of the each and every row. It is known as index 0, 1, 2, 0 row, first row, second row. Instead of this default index value, you can give your index also. Just see, by this command, index equal to R1, R2, R3, we supply our index name to the data frame. See, now 0, 1, 2 नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे, R1, R2, R3 appear हो रहा है instead of index name. Then here column equal to, here just see the list. Two values are there in the list. Two values are there. So how many columns are there in the data frame? Two columns only. So here column equal to name comma percentage. First column name is name, second column name should be percentage. अब इसका आउटपुट देखो. List index column. So index R1, R2, R3 are here. Name, it is the first column, and in the first column, the first value of the list, Ram, Suresh, Rohit, it is there in the first column. Right? Now, just in the second column, percentage कैसे है? PER लिखा हुआ कैसे है? अपन ने यहाँ पे कॉलम के साथ परसेंटेज सप्लाई किया था, अपन ने यहाँ पे कॉलम नेम पे नेम सप्लाई किया. So first column name it is name, second column का नाम कंप्यूटर PER है. Clear? Now, second value. It is printed over here in the second column, right? So, by this coding, you can generate this type of data frame on your monitor, right? Two different data frames are related with the list, single list. For this, one column will be created, nested list. For this, multiple columns will be created in the data frame. Clear? Now, this part is over. We will shift towards the second portion of the board. Here, data frame creation by dictionary. Dictionary means an object of Python that contains key plus value. Key separated with colon, then value. It is known as the dictionary. Right? So, here we just see our first program related how we can create the data frame by using dictionary, and here also आपको डिक्शनरी के साथ कुछ स्ट्रक्चर यूज करना पड़ेगा सो दैट यू कैन जनरेट मल्टीपल कॉलम्स इन द डेटा फ्रेम. जस्ट सी द डिक्शनरी वेरिएबल dict equal to name column here. With this curly bracket your computer recognize that you are going to create a dictionary. If you put a square bracket, your computer recognize that you are going to create a list, and for a small bracket it is tuple. So here name, it is the first key of the dictionary with multiple values. You just apply multiple values with the first key. Name Sumit, Ram, Mahesh, Suresh, Mukesh, and number of name you can include with this part. So ये क्या example बना? Dictionary with list. Values are there in the list and the key is separated. So first key is name, comma, second key of the dictionary it is age with list of values. Just see 1723. अब डिक्शनरी से जब डाटा फ्रेम बनाते हैं तो आपको कॉलम का नाम देने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. कॉलम का नाम कंप्यूटर जो डिक्शनरी की है वही कॉलम की हेडिंग बन जाती है. Right? Name should be the heading of the column. Age, it should be the heading of the column. Clear? Now just see df equal to pd.dataframe command dictionary means these values are treated as data. Index equal to rank 1 rank 2 column दिया ही नहीं, देने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, अपने आप column name हो रही जाएगा. Right? So here rank 1 rank 2 these are the index of the data frame. Index में भी बोलते हैं name of the rows. And then name and age, these two columns are there. Inside the name column, just see all the values of your name key. It is there, Sumit Ram. In this age column, all the values 1723. It is there with the age column. Just see. Right now here, just see one thing. Here, if you are going to create either a series from the dictionary or a data frame from the dictionary, your computer follows the sequence order, ascending sequence means A to Z, it is the ascending order to generate the data frame. So name and age, two columns are there. क्या होगा? कंप्यूटर ascending order को फॉलो करते हुए नेम कॉलम पहले प्रिंट करेगा. So ये आउटपुट जो मैंने लिखा, इस आउटपुट में रिवर्ट होगा. What will be there on the monitor? Age column is at here at the first position, name column is there at the second position. Right? So if you do the practical related with this concept, just understand according to the sequence, age column should be in the front, name column should be at the back. Clear? Now just see the next example. It is also related with dictionary. You can create data frame with a dictionary by using two different styles. The first style क्या थी? Dictionary with list of values. Right? List of values are there. Now in the second concept, we use list of dictionaries. Here it is a list, and inside the list, dictionary 1, dictionary 2, dictionary 3, dictionary 4, multiple dictionaries are there inside the list variable. So here this is known as the first dictionary. क्या है इसमें देखो, keys A value is 100, keys B value is 200. Right? In the second dictionary, just see it is attached over here. Keys A value 500, B this, C this. Right here. Just see. In the first dictionary, A and B, two keys are there only. In the second dictionary, A, B, C, three different keys are there. Very first, is it applicable? Yes, it is applicable in programming. Right? अब कैसे generate होगा इसका result देखते हैं. pd.dataframe equal to data comma index r1 r2. So r1 and r2 over here. कॉलम देने की जरूरत नहीं, बिकॉज डिक्शनरी दे. तो कॉलम कौन से उठाएगा कंप्यूटर? डिक्शनरी में जो कीज है ए बी, पहले दो कॉलम ए बन गए, फिर कंप्यूटर उधर जाएगा, ए बी बना चुका, सी और बना देगा. So three columns are there now in this data frame, A, B, C. Three different columns with R1 and R2. मैं वापस बता रहा हूँ, when you are going to create the data frame by using dictionary, need not to supply the column name. Column name is automatically taken by the key of your dictionary. Here name and age. Name and age, these are the column names. You just supply the index values only. Index कौन सा दे रहे हैं? rank 1 rank 2 ये supply किया. Here in this question index is R1 R2 ये supply किया. Clear? Now how to generate the output of this program, just see here in the first dictionary value of a is 100, value of a is 500. ये दोनों एक ही सीरीज में आ जाएंगे, एक ही कॉलम में आ जाएंगे, एक कॉलम बन गया 100 500. just see what is this one 100.0 500.0 जबकि हमने क्या सप्लाई किया था 100 and 500. तो ये पॉइंट में कैसे आया, see this one d type equal to float 64. Here this is the option that we can use with the data frame, and with this option we can convert our actual data into the converted data. Here actual data is integer. If we want to convert the integer into float, we just use d type equal to float 64. जैसे ही यूज करेंगे the data that is there inside the data frame, it is converted into float. Just see, right? Now, how we generate the output? Value of a is 100, value of a is 500. Two values are there for a only. So 100 और 500 एक के नीचे रख दिया. Value of b is 200. Here in the next dictionary value of b is 600. So 200 और 600 एक साथ रख दिया in a column. Now C column is there. Value of C, it is not there in the first dictionary. First जो raw है इसमें नहीं है. So here just see NaN should be there in this particular place. NaN not a number, it is a property of numpy, right? But the second dictionary holds the value C. तो ये second line में C की value 700.0 appear होगी, right? This is the output of this data frame. I hope the data frame looks very simple for you. Here just see the program is not more than 10 lines and the steps of the program are also same. आपको क्या करना है, you have to learn this data frame command only, right? Data series command only. By this you can create this data frame. So here very first we are going to understand how we can create data frame with multiple objects, right? After that हम इसके ऊपर ऑपरेशन करेंगे, how we add the row in the data frame, how we delete the particular row, how we search a specific row, कैसे इस data frame की slicing करके print कराने, सारी चीजें आएंगी, right? These are the basic knowledge related with this data frame, and you will get, I am telling you, with this data series and data frame, if you combine these two chapters, you will get 10 marks out of 25. Python कितने की है? Maximum marks of Python is 25 only. उनमें से 10 मार्क्स से दो चैप्टर से जुड़े हुए आएंगे. Clear? Thank you very much.